Hey yo, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we are gonna be talking about how to scan for penny stocks with Finviz.com. Also, how to use a screener to find penny stocks that can break out, make you money, and all that good stuff. So, if you're interested in that, let's just get straight into it. First of all, as I said at the beginning, we are gonna be using Finviz.com. So go ahead and click on their website. This video will be not that long, or like in other words, this video will be short. I will be explaining everything in today's video, so there's no need to gonna like click off the video, go search it for yourself. Now we're not gonna be doing that, so let's just get straight into it. Famous.com. The second thing, screener. Go ahead, click on screener. Then I always go ahead and click on all. So you're sent to this kind of a page. So the first thing that we're going to be looking for will be the price. So now, first of all, will be the industry. We're only going to be looking for stocks. It will cut down the number dramatically. After that, the price. So when I said that we're going to be looking for penny stocks, and if you saw from the thumbnail and from the title, under $5, these are the penny stocks. These are the stocks that we're talking about. We have 989 stocks in this kind of case from on Monday that are under $5 on this screener. Okay, so with that said, the first thing that we are going to be using will be the change. So for today, we want them to be up. Okay, for them to be up. Like, was I correct about it, or like yeah, it was up 5%. So let's just go ahead and kind of not only up, but just click it on up 5%. So you can see that it has a great background. After that, we're going to be talking about the relative volume, or R vol. Like, I don't know why a lot of the people do manage to mix it with like other things. Like, they do not know what R vol is. But basically, so as I said, what the actual like R vol or relative volume. I mean, I'm always saying R vol because that's how you're gonna find it in this kind of the industry, in the stock market industry. But the relative volume basically is an indicator. Okay, as simple as that. I cannot stress this. I cannot stress this enough. It is a indicator that tells traders how the current trading volume is compared to the past trading volume over a given period. In this case, over a 3 month average. Okay, but the relative volume will be over 2 in this case, not under, but over 2. This is just a um, mistake for me. Okay, over 2. And the last thing that we're going to be filling will be the 52 week high or low. We want to be below that. Okay, 0 to 5% below the high. So like, we're hoping for the breakout, but as you can see, we do not have stocks. Let's just go just lower up the R vol if we can do that. Yeah, again, we have no stocks right here. Let's go with the relative volume over 1. Again, no stocks. But yeah, this is like what I use for the screener. But in this case, like, we cannot see that, and we cannot like, we don't have that. But let's just click on the 52 week high or low, like, let's set the relative volume high. As you can see, we have 26 picks right here. You can go ahead, kind of choose and find a breakout stock after it breaks any type of high. Film, it is always up to you. This like looks like a great deal right here, but it is always up to you. But overall, this is the screener, and also I always put this to the side. But there's a chance that you're not gonna find this. Like, it's hardly to find this kind of stock. So go ahead, screenshot this first. Okay, so go ahead, screenshot this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, bam, click on right here and click on all, and go try it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Screenshot that, and like, this is absolute it for today. So peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day.